In front of me is Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Accounts and Sync. Then use this icon next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button, and change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!